I often frequent Hunt Library to work on homework, collaborate with groups on projects, and study for tests. When in the library, especially during high-stress times in the semester, many peculiar behaviors are witnessed that are completely normal in the moment. The obvious stress on faces, the anxious pacing and talking through problems, and the sometimes unpreventable meltdowns are all behaviors understood by the other members of the library culture. Much of Hunt's environment encourages collaboration. There are many open areas for group work, study rooms to practice presentations in, and verbally solve problems without the worry of bothering people in open areas. You often witness students on walks which are taken to socialize as a break from the studies or to get coffee. In Hunt Library, there are also many sub-environments that encourage different cultural attitudes. For those who prefer quiet individual working environments, there are silent reading rooms located on the second and fifth floor. You can almost feel the attitudes of those who are in the room when you walk by, many hard at work and with no sounds to be heard. In other areas of the library, a different attitude is felt as groups work together, lively with discussion. Inside these sub-environments, different types of behaviors are encouraged and discouraged. When in the silent reading rooms, there is a perceptible affordance that no one in the room should talk or make noise of any kind, leaving complete silence so others in the room can focus and work efficiently. In the open areas on the other floors, there is sometimes a hidden affordance that silence should be had because that is what the environment displayed upon arrival. But in reality, silence is not enforced in these areas, so verbal problem solving and general conversation is welcomed. In the group study rooms, there is again a perceptible affordance that open conversation and group work is encouraged, and the descriptions of these environments make this affordance clear before deciding to use the space. Unfortunately, problems do arise at times in this environment. Many of the problems come from false affordances of silence or noise and the way those affordances are handled by the users. For example, in the group study rooms, though very good at blocking sound, are not completely soundproof. Therefore, a problem can often arise in the sounds coming from others in study rooms around, which comes as a disturbance to those who are in the room for silence. During high-stress times, this problem can cause confrontation, which is a problem for everyone. The false affordance of complete silence that the quiet-preferring user perceived from the environment encouraged the problematic confrontation. To change this problem, I might find a way to make it more clear that complete silence is not an expected affordance of group study rooms, and other silent options are available in the second and fifth floor silent reading rooms. This type of problem can also be looked at in reverse, with a loud user disrupting a quiet space due to another false affordance, and the same solution of making the silent areas intent clear with other study option areas available would help to solve the problems.